Hey YouTube, how you doing? Trying to do a review on the unboxing of the massive Nano Blue BLX4 amp from Massive Audio. I have not seen a unboxing or review video of this amp, so I decided to let me make one. My first impressions when you get it, right, is it's a really hard box, which the package tells me the packaging is really good. So when you open it up, it's just amazing, right? You have the standard, manual, give you the information. Comes with a dongle for the speakers. In this case, when I ordered it with the UBT1, which is the Bluetooth dongle for the amp, which allows it to have Bluetooth connectivity instead of having to use the RCA cables. Here's the amp itself. Let's get it out of the way. All right. The amp itself is definitely finely well made. Then you have your built-in crossover with your inputs and the connector for the Bluetooth piece, which is all integrated right into it. And then on the other side, you have your power and then the speaker dongle that comes in here. This also comes with an optional power regulator that you can add on for it. Now, a little information about it. This has what's it called, the rail cap booster, which is the one that will go here, which helps stabilize the environment, or at least the amp. One of the things that called my attention about this is because it says that it does 960 watts RMS, and when I started looking, Massive actually says that at 2 ohms, each channel is doing 240 watts, which I thought that was pretty amazing. My next video is gonna have me, after I do the installation, I'll go ahead and tweak it and see how it sounds to do the comparisons, right? I've been comparing it with several other amps that I currently use for my install, and this is a custom install on a motorcycle. So hang on for the next video and see you soon.